This is Mohamed Mounir Halwani. I'm a Lebanese citizen living at Saudi Arabia. I'm 35 years old. I came here to Natural Hair Turkey to do my hair transplant. Yeah, as I told you, I'm a 35 years old guy, and everyone, when they see me, they think I'm a 45 or 37 years old. So this didn't make me feel well, and moreover, my wife wanted to feel that she's married to a young guy, not to an old guy. So yeah, so all this added up so that I can come here and make my hair transplant to look, I don't want to look younger, I just want to look as my age. Honestly speaking, Turkey is well known for hair transplant in general. So there's lots and lots of options, but after digging into the Instagram and all the websites, doing your homework, I realized that natural hair has very high rating. And moreover, I have 3 or 4 friends that already did this operation in natural hair, and they recommended it to me. So that's why I decided for Natural Hair Turkey. Operation was more than great. The team was more than professional. I felt that I'm in a family. I didn't feel that I'm a patient. They treated me well. The team that worked on me, they were 4. They worked as if they were doing a hair transplant for themselves, not for a client. So I really felt comfortable. A little bit of pain in the anesthesia, but nothing more. Everything was great. As I said, they treated me in a really professional way. Oh yeah, I'm oversatisfied. Despite not seeing any result yet, but I can give a small example that my preliminary exam was told that I can only have 3,500 to 4,000 hair transplant. Whereas when we were in the operation, they discovered that the donor area can give up to 5,500. So they did it. They didn't just stick to what the preliminary exam did. So they gave me the 5,500. And instead of having a 6 hours operation, it was like a 9 to 10 hours operation. And still the team was there, happy all the time, did the full thing, put the 5,500 hair transplant in, and everything was great. So yes, I am oversatisfied. It's a hospital that exceeded my expectations because the cleanness, the professional team, the welcoming, the gratitude, everything was great. From the moment I reached the airport, till the moment I reached the hotel, till the moment I reached the hospital. From cleaning girls and guys to the nurses to the doctors, everyone here, they all work as a great team. The chauffeur was already there waiting for me on time with the private car, transferred me here to the hospital, did my preliminary examination, waited for me. Then they transferred me back to the hotel. Hotel is Radisson Blu, so it's already a 5-star hotel. And they gave us a very spacious room. And still, whenever I had any operation appointment or after operation appointment, the driver was there with his private car. I was treated like a VIP client. So whether you are a VIP, whether you are a normal person, you always feel with natural hair that you are a VIP. As I mentioned, the team that worked on my operation was Turkish, but still they speak some English, and always in a while or another, a translator guy goes in and asks if there's any need for any translations. So everything was great, and the translators did great work. The health guide as well, she just introduced me to the after-operation treatment items, from shampoos to lotions to vitamins to all what is needed. And she explained to me everything in details, and everything was excellent. Definitely I will recommend it, and there are already 7 to 8 people waiting for my recommendation, and I will definitely recommend Natural Hair Turkey for anyone who wants to feel his own age or even feel younger.